Hello everyone, welcome to ASTECH. In our channel, we will show some tricks and tips. So watch this video until the very end.
So guys, let's start our video. So this is the IR remote. You have to install that app if you want to use your mobile phone as a TV remote. So first of all, you have to go for Play Store, and here you have to search IR remote. And the next important thing that you have to remember that there are so many different IR remotes are available on App Store, but you have to make sure that you only install that app, because there are lots of apps that will not work properly. So when we install that app, so you have to go for IR remote. So when you open this app, as you can see, you have to go for create a remote. Then you have to select a device, for example television, for example air condition. You can have to select the device. And the other important thing is that you have to remember that your mobile phones support IR blaster. Yes, there is an option in many phones that they have IR blaster. If your phone does not have IR blaster, so you can't access your TV or air condition with your phone. So you have to make sure that your phone have a IR blaster. Then you have to select your company, like if you have a Hitachi, if you have a Colson, so you have to select that. Then there are different remotes here. You have to check one by one. As you see, code set 1 out of 10. For example, if I choose this company, so there are different 10 remotes in this one company. So you have to check which mode is perfect for you. So from this you can easily access your, like this is the Biomark AC. I already installed that app, I am using it. So I have to power, I can easily control my air condition with this app. So guys, hope you understand my video. If you found it useful, please show your support.
Hope you guys enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support. Like, subscribe and share. Meet you in the next one.